Hey, what is going on guys? It's Connor here from MenuDocs and welcome back to a new video on the channel. Today we're going to be looking at a reload commands command and also a bot shutdown command. So I guess we'll get straight into it. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with the reload command since it's the more kind of complex one. And saying that, we're going to start off by checking if the message author has my ID. So we need to check if the message author message.author has my ID, in which we are about to grab the ID. If you guys don't know how to grab a user ID, just kind of Google it. And what we're going to do if they don't have my ID is return message.channel.send you're not the bot owner. And this just basically stops anyone or anything from reloading the command if they're not the bot owner. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to check the args, because obviously they have to provide a command. So we're going to add an exclamation mark there, and we're going to return message.channel.send please provide a command to reload. Now once that is done, we are on to the next step, which is a try and then also a catch. If you guys do not know what a try catch is, please do Google it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start off by deleting any cache that we have. So we're going to do require.cache.require.resolve, and then we're also going to quickly get some backticks and do some template literal stuff. And then actually, I think it might be a better idea. Yes, it should be a better idea if we do command name equals args 0.2 lowercase. Now make sure that all your commands in your command folder are in lowercase. They should already be like that, just so it makes it easier for the things to detect it. The command handler things. What am I on about? And then we're going to put JS there. And now that's going to basically mean that you can type in chat. We'll do usage here. Basically, you can go reload and then just name. You don't have to add the JS on the end. If you want to add the JS on the end, just remove this. And then that will be the whole kind of thing there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go next line. And because we're using a command handler, that means we also have to delete it from the collection. So bots.commands is the thing that we have in our commands, in our index.js, and we're just going to quickly pretty much delete command name. And then once that's done, we obviously have to add it back to the collection. So we're going to do const pool equals require, and then template literals, not template literals, backticks, and then we're just going to quickly do command name and then .js again. And then once that's done, we're also going to set the command into the collection once again, and then bot commands.set, and then command name, comma, don't forget the comma, and then pull. And then that should be that. And once that's done, what we're going to do is we're going to return a message if there is an error, message.channel.send. And what we're going to say is we're going to say could not reload, and then we're going to add this stuff, command name. Oh, actually, we're not going to do that. I think it might be nicer if we kind of make it look snazzy. So if you don't add the backlines or backslants, and then this, basically it's going to cause an error. I'm actually just going to, what's going to happen is it's going to embed the name, or kind of chat embed the name, and then we're going to do to uppercase just so it looks cooler, and then to uppercase, to lowercase, to uppercase. Now obviously if it does not error, we want to just quickly send a message to the channel, message.channel.send, basically saying that the command, and then backticks. Yeah, we're gonna do args again to uppercase. Don't forget to make it a function, by the way, guys. The command has been reloaded. Bam. And that is basically it for that command. Now, whilst we'll add it, we're going to make a bot stop command. And do you know what? It could literally be as simple as doing process or not. It could, what is it done here? It just do process, if I can spell process right, dot. Oh my God, seriously? Can you stop? Process. Why is it being difficult? See, this is the thing with the auto completion stuff. Sometimes it can be a bit dodgy, or it can just continue to be like that. Exit, and that could basically be the command. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna drag this over here, and we're gonna say this. And because we want to send a message before it exits, we're also gonna create a try catch here as well. I'm just gonna pick this up and stick it in here. Don't forget to go here and then do await message dot channel dot send. Bot is shutting down. Oh wait, shutting down. Dot dot dot. Then we want to create a catch, and we want to catch the error, and then if it does error by anything at all, it's going to send a message to the channel saying, could just do e.message. Oh wait, hold up. No, we'll do error, bam, and then we'll add template literals and do e.message, and that will just bring the message from the error. It won't do the whole thing. And then that's basically the shutdown command. And what we can do from here is we can actually just open up the bot. Right, now before I do the reload command, notice how it says loading here. We're gonna load up the terminal. Now the terminal's all loaded up. What we're gonna do is we're gonna change this from saying loading. So if we notice that we do cat here, it will say loading. But now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab here, I'm gonna change this to back to generating. It's not gonna reload the console at all. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna jump in here. We're gonna do 2 exclamation marks, reload, and in cat. I'm gonna reload the cat command. I obviously have not typed that in properly. No errors in console. And then notice what it says when I'm genning the cat command again. It says generating, which is exactly what we want. And now what we want to do is just test the shutdown command, and then bot is shutting down and it is exited. Fix that reload error. Just as simple as doing this. It's pretty much, I just screwed up and forgot the extra one. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This has been Connor here from MenuDocs. We do apologize for the delay on this video. I know it has been a few days in the making, and it is quite a short one. But I hope you guys have enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.